Hello, this is Sebastian, founder of Fire Belgium. A quick video. I would like to invite you to join me for two events on the 8th and 9th of December, where I'm going to show live how to invest in an index ETF. So I'm going to open my brokerage account, show you the brokerage account, show you how to select like the ETF and make the transaction. This is because there's a lot of people who have been in my community for a long time and who are still not investing. And for a lot of you guys, it's mostly because it feels overwhelming and it feels a bit scary. There's too much information around and you don't necessarily know where to start and what information to trust. So I just want to show you how simple it is, because it really is super simple. It's like, I like to say, it's like buying sunglasses on Amazon. You have your account, you select the right product, you buy it, and that's it. And then you close it and nothing else. So because I want to, help you make progress, I want to make sure you see how simple it is. I'd love for you to join on the 8th or 9th of December at 8:30. I'm putting the links in the description. You can sign up. It's free. And we're going to cover a bunch of things, but certainly the most important is I'm going to show you live how to invest in an ETF. We will also talk about why ETFs are so good and why they perform so much better than bank funds. And I will share a simple process for you to get started. I'll show a few examples of investors who have actually invested in ETFs and how they've done so far. But basically, I want to show you how simple it is and how you can actually benefit from it as well. This is the whole point of everything I do in this community. So I hope to see you on the 8th or the 9th. Take care. Cheers.